In this video we will be looking at 2D shapes. So first of all we'll start off with the basic triangles you should be able to identify. Here is an equilateral triangle. This has 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles, all of 60 degrees each, because if you think about it, all of the interior angles of a triangle always should add up to 180 degrees. So 60 times 3 is 180 degrees. Here is a scalene triangle. This has no equal sides and no equal angles either. Here's an isosceles triangle. This has 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. And here's a right-angled triangle. One of its angles is a right angle at 90 degrees. You can see that something's a 90-degree right angle when the angle is represented by a box, as you can see in the bottom left of the diagram. Okay, so let's have a look at quadrilaterals. Quad in quadrilaterals basically means a 4-sided shape. So first off we'll start with the square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles, each 90 degrees each, which is shown by those small boxes again. Here's a rectangle. A rectangle has 2 pairs of equal sides and 4 right angles. So 2 of its sides are equal and the other 2 are equal, but not all 4 of them are equal. However, all 4 angles are at 90 degrees each. Here's a rhombus. The rhombus has 4 equal sides, and the opposite sides are parallel, and so are the opposite angles. Here's a parallelogram. It has 2 pairs of equal sides, quite similar to the rectangle. The opposite sides are parallel, and the opposite angles are equal. Here's a trapezium. It has 1 pair of parallel sides, but they have a different length. Finally, we have the kite. It has 2 pairs of equal sides next to each other, but it has no parallel sides. Okay, so now we'll have a look at circles. I have drawn the midpoint of the circle here. A midpoint of the circle is just the center of where the circle is. A line going from one edge of the circle through the midpoint to the other edge of the circle is called a diameter. Half of this, so a line starting from the midpoint and touching one edge, is called a radius. The distance from the outside is called the circumference. Okay, so now we'll have a look at polygons. Polygons are basically shapes with many straight sides. Here's a regular pentagon. Regular polygons, they have equal length sides, and they also have equal angles. Irregular polygons have sides of different lengths. So here's the ones you should remember. There are other ones, but these are the most common ones which you should ensure you know. Okay, so this question is asking us to find the perimeter of the square below. So as we said earlier, squares have equal side lengths. The perimeter is basically the distance of a shape from the outside. So it's the length of each side added together. So there's 4 sides in a square. Each one is 2 centimeters. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, or 2 times 4, is 8 centimeters. The perimeter of the square is 8 centimeters. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos.